week in LeTip of Dallas, it's a new quarter, and we as a group continue to bring in new members. Congratulations to Doug King of Precise Power, who is our newest member. If you are having electrical issues, Doug services the entire DFW metroplex and can help you solve your electrical needs. Our featured speaker this week is Gilbert Delgado of Superior Carpet Cleaning. Sometimes it starts with just a drip, but then your house becomes flooded, or over time develop mold issues, or maybe you have fire damage. Gilbert and his crew can come out to your home to mitigate any damage you may have to your home. And yes, he does clean carpets too. Join us each week at the original Pancake House in Addison. Our networking begins at 11:30 a.m., though many people come earlier. Bring plenty of business cards, have a 10-second introduction about yourself personally, and have a 30-second commercial about your business. Let us show you why we believe in putting dollars in your pocket.